Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox the WOA WOA step ladder. This is a 4-step. It is actually very easy to open. These rungs are very wide. It's 7.87 inches, so that makes it easier whenever you're climbing on top of it. Okay, it's very sturdy and steady. Cool feature about this ladder is that it's very light.
Can you use it?
Sure. See, very light. Anybody can carry it. You can also use it to install all your collectibles on high spaces. You can fold it flat, and it's a very thin ladder. And it's also very portable. You can use the ladder to reach the ceiling of every room, so you can install some lights. You can use it in any space to change the filters for your AC. You can install the ladder on any surface, and it's also very easy to store. You can use it inside or outside to clean the windows. This WOA WOA ladder is a perfect ladder for your home. Thank you for watching.